This video is for educational purposes only and strategies that I use in my personal portfolio. Nothing in this video guarantees profits or future performance. Do not click off this video and do not skip ahead even for 5 seconds. What is happening in the market right now over the next 2 weeks leading into September is setting up one of the single biggest liquidity rotations we've seen in over a year. If you missed out when we caught explosive moves on Oracle, ARM, Nebius, AMD, and many others before they went on multi-100% runs, you cannot afford to miss out on what I'm laying down for you guys today. Right now, institutional order flow is aggressively accumulating in 3 specific small to mid-cap growth names that are fundamentally primed to potentially explode. We have cooled inflation, a massive structural shift in Federal Reserve policy, and an imminent macro catalyst from the Jackson Hole that are already driving Bitcoin growth tech through the roof. Throughout this entire video, I'm giving you the exact fundamental balance sheet data, debt profiles, revenue growth rates, and key price levels for the top 3 growth stocks to buy heading into September. If you skip around, you're going to miss the crucial entry triggers and the single best catalyst on my number 1 pick. Lock in, turn off the distractions, and let's break down all of this data. Remember, before going into this video, no more than 5 to 10% of your portfolio in any one stock. Do your due diligence to make sure the stocks I talk about in this video or any video and the strategies I discuss fit your own personal goals and needs. There's no guarantees in the market. The market is very risky. Do your due diligence, protect yourself from the volatility and the risk by studying the stocks and strategies you like the most, and patience is key. Protect your capital, protect your portfolio. Let's look at the broader macro landscape because every major bull run in growth stocks is fueled by liquidity. Over the past 2 weeks, the macroeconomic narrative has completely flipped from hawkish fear to neutral and now straight into dovish positioning. Think back to July 29th, the Federal Open Market Committee minutes, the FOMC minutes. Back then, which was released this week, the Fed maintained a strict, cautious tone, debating whether the rates needed to remain higher for longer to stomp out stubborn services inflation. But the hard data since that meeting has forced a total pivot. Cooling core inflation. The core CPI and core PCE prints have continued their steady downward trajectory, proving that price pressures are normalizing. Now, we also have to look at the labor market and deacceleration and downward revisions. The labor market report showed clear cooling combined with substantial downward revisions to prior job figures. The housing market data trigger. Look at the fresh data from the U.S. Census Bureau. Housing starts plummeted 12.4% month over month to an annualized rate of 1.239 million units, while building permits actually expanded by 5% to 1.443 million units. This divergence is critical. Home builders are pulling permits because long-term structural demand is massive, but they cannot break ground because mortgage rates are sitting near 6.7%, are freezing both the builders and the buyers. When housing starts collapse by double digits, it threatens raw materials, manufacturing, construction jobs across the entire country. The Federal Reserve cannot keep rates in this restrictive territory without creating a severe economic bottleneck, and the permits show the Feds that if they cut the rates, the growth is there. Next week, the Fed chair will be speaking at the Jackson Hole Symposium. The market is pricing in absolutely dovish neutrality to transition from how long do we hold to how fast do we get a cut. This is why the broader indices are rallying and why Bitcoin is pushing an aggressive local high. When borrowing costs come down, high multiple growth stocks with massive revenue expansions experience explosive multiple upward moves. Let's talk about these stocks at hand that are going to be in a very advantageous position for you. Before we get into these explosive stocks, I want to stop you right now and ask you a very direct and honest question. What is it that you truly want out of your life? What are your goals? What would make you genuinely happy and fulfilled? Do you want financial freedom? Do you want to take care of your family and live on your own terms and never have to stress about 9 to 5 or a paycheck again? 7 years ago, I was at the bottom and I understand how that feels. I wanted the exact same thing. I put my head down, mastered the markets, worked inside a hedge fund, and put the blood, sweat, and tears of over 10 years into all of this. Today, I'm blessed to achieve true independence. I get to take my kids to Disney, travel around, go wherever we want, buying my brother a car when he was down and out through his divorce and lost his only vehicle. I bought my dad a truck and I remodeled my mom's bathroom when she broke her leg so that she was more comfortable. I've been able to give back to food banks during Thanksgiving and Christmas and support the homeless veterans as well. My life has completely changed over the past 7 years. It's completely different and I'm blessed to be able to live this life. And I know deep down that you want the same impact for the people you love. Over the years, I've personally coached over 3,400 students and hundreds of them have developed developed into self-sustaining traders and many of them millionaires by following a strict, disciplined, rule-based framework. You want these things, right? Then you have to take action. My live exclusive masterclass webinar is tomorrow, August 22nd, 2 p.m. Eastern, 11 a.m. Pacific. Click the link in the information box below right now to lock in your spot. Taking that first step toward changing your life is always the hardest part. No excuses. I'm going to be hanging out with you live, teaching you the exact framework that has helped thousands of students scale their portfolios. Click the link below to reserve your seat right now, and let's make the change together. No excuses. Let's do it now. The link is below. Click it right now, so this way I can show you what you are doing wrong. So let's talk about these top 3 growth stocks for September 2026. Coming in at number 3 on the list is Serve Robotics. Serve Robotics is a pure play pioneer in autonomous last mile sidewalk delivery. Spun out of Uber, the company manufactures and deploys AI-powered zero-emission delivery robots designed to replace expensive vehicle delivery in high-density urban corridors. Their flagship commercial agreements with Uber and DoorDash give them guaranteed customer volume, while recent expansion into their on-demand services like No Scrubs Laundry demonstrates that their fleet platform is versatile beyond fast food. Financially, Serve is in high-growth hyperdrive. In their Q2 2026 earnings report, revenue surged 404% year over year to $3. In their Q2 2026 earnings report, revenue surged 404% year over year to $3.24 million, driven by active daily delivery robots expanding across major metropolitan areas. And more importantly, recurring software and fleet services revenue now make up over 50% of total revenue. Serve holds strong cash cushion of $240 million in cash and marketable securities with minimal debt, giving them multi-year runway to scale their fleet. The adversity they are actively overcoming is unit economics and hardware scaling costs, which resulted in a Q2 GAAP net loss of $64 million as they aggressively manufactured new units. However, as robot density increases and teleoperation costs decrease, gross margins continue to expand. With top Wall Street analyst price targets reaching as high as $15 to $18 a share in the next 1 to 2 years, current mid-single-digit levels, Serve provides high beta upside for an autonomous robotic future. Most stocks return to their previous highs, and Serve Robotics has already hit these price targets, so we could see $12 to $18 run in Serve before the end of the year or in the next 12 months alone, showing that there is a 300% path for Serve Robotics as it sits right now. The number 2 stock to potentially add to your portfolio is Resolve, RZLV. Coming in at number 2, Resolve AI is an enterprise commerce AI powerhouse focused on transforming conversational research and frictionless mobile transactions. Their flagship product, Brian Commerce, deploys proprietary large language models, which are LLMs, specifically trained on global retail and enterprise data. Unlike generic chat interfaces, Resolve enables real-time, zero-latency, instant commerce, allowing consumers to find, compare, and instantly buy products across retail mobile apps and messaging channels using natural speech and text. From a financial growth perspective, Resolve is reaching a massive inflection point. Analysts project Resolve to scale towards a $350 million annualized revenue run rate by the end of 2026, driven by aggressive direct sales pipelines, strategic enterprise partnerships with global tech giants, and a strategic M&A. The company demonstrated operating profitability milestones heading into this fiscal year, backed by expanding gross margins exceeding 70%. The main challenge that Resolve is navigating involves market awareness and the standard multiple discount associated with newly public small cap tech names. But with the stock currently consolidating cleanly in the $2.40 to $2.60 zone, Wall Street consensus sits at a strong buy with over 60% upside of tracking analyst ratings. It is a top pick with double-digit price targets. In an environment where the Fed is cutting rates and enterprise software budgets are loosening, Resolve is an explosive asymmetric setup with price targets reaching as high as $11 to $12 in the next 12 to 18 months, giving this stock an explosive potential of up to 600%. And with a very strong institutional floor in the $2.30 to $3 range, this stock has been consolidating right there over the past 12 months, and we've seen some breakout runs into the lower $3s and mid $3 price range. Before I reveal my number 1 pick, I don't want you to miss out on tomorrow's event. My masterclass webinar is tomorrow, August 22nd, 2 p.m. Eastern, 11 a.m. Pacific. I'll be breaking down my exact entry levels, stop losses, and options flows and dark pool for all of these tickers. Click the link in the information box below to secure your spot and take action to grow your portfolio your future and achieve your goals. Don't hesitate. Remember, what you put off today for tomorrow, somebody else already put off yesterday for today. Do not lose your opportunity. Secure your spot now. The link is in the information box below. That brings me to the number one pick in this video, which is SoundHound. SoundHound is the undisputed leader in independent voice, artificial intelligence, and conversational agentic AI. I told everyone to buy this stock when it was $4, and it ran to $22, and now it's back up into the $7, $8 range. Their proprietary Polaris Foundation model and newly launched Oasis platform allow enterprises across automotive, restaurant, and healthcare sectors to deploy autonomous voice agents that understand complex human speech in real time. SoundHound powers in-vehicle voice commerce for major global automakers like Stellantis, Hyundai, and top Asian OEMs, while dominating drive-thrus and voice ordering for powerhouse chains including Jersey Mike's, Five Guys, and IHOP. Financially, SoundHound just posted record Q2 results with revenue jumping 45% year over year to $61.9 million, up 40% quarter over quarter. And while GAAP gross margins expanded to 45% and non-GAAP gross margins hit an impressive 58%. Their balance sheet is rock solid with $203 million in cash and zero debt. Management raised full-year organic revenue guidance to $230 to $260 million, and with all the regulatory approvals cleared for their live person acquisition, combined with annualized revenue, is projected to reach $350 million to $400 million plus in the next year. Led by founder and CEO Dr. Kevin Wajer, SoundHound has methodically built a moat of over 300 patents. The market temporarily weighed the stock down due to non-cash fair value on adjustments like acquisition liabilities, creating a massive mispricing. Wall Street price targets range are up to $14 to $16 a share currently, representing massive upside from the current levels as their high-margin voice commerce pilots launch commercially across TV screens and automotive dashboards heading into Q4, with 1 to 3 year price targets as high as $20 to $25, showing that right now there's about a 70 to 100% upside and a 300 to 400% upside in the coming 1 to 3 years. These tickers like Serve Robotics, Resolve AI, and SoundHound AI are sitting right in the sweet spot of this Federal Reserve liquidity pivot. Do not sit on the sidelines while this market makes its next leg higher. Click the link below to secure your spot in my masterclass webinar tomorrow, 2 p.m. Eastern, 11 a.m. Pacific. Smash the like button, subscribe if you haven't already, and I will see you at the webinar tomorrow and in the next video or upload and in the Discord real soon. Take care of yourselves. Be safe in this market. One love, fam.